I went out to the range today and did some shooting with my Smith and Wesson Model 360 and thought that since I had to clean it, I would do a cleaning tutorial video and or sort of a cleaning how-to. So to clean your Smith and Wesson Model 360, or any revolver for that matter, what sorts of things are you going to need? Well, first off, a solvent of some sort. I happen to use the Hops No. 9 synthetic blend. A lubricant. In this case, I'm using the Wilson Combat Universal Lube. Some shop towels, patches, an old toothbrush, a screwdriver, a bore snake, a cleaning rod, a cleaning brush, and of course your revolver. The first thing that we're going to do is verify that the firearm is unloaded, which we can see that it is. Now for a basic field strip, we just have to remove this screw here, which will let us remove the crane and cylinder. Set that screw to the side. And remove the crane and cylinder. Now we're going to take our solvent and a patch and just kind of swab out the barrel and all of these cylinder chambers. At this point, I like to just kind of dip my toothbrush in the solvent and then just kind of start scrubbing at the frame. Going to pay close attention here up around the forcing column in that area. Do sort of the same thing with the cylinder. For the crane, I'm just going to kind of dip one of my cleaning rags in the solvent here. And just sort of wipe it down. Take another cleaning rag and just kind of wipe down the cylinder where I scrubbed it. Now I'm going to take my cleaning brush and kind of scrub out the inside of each individual chamber. And now I'm going to run the bore snake through to kind of pull out any remaining solvent and that sort of thing. Sorry about that, guys. I'm kind of working around the camera, so some things are a little cumbersome. Especially this bore snake. Now I'm going to do the same thing, sort of just with the frame, and just sort of wipe off the outside first, and where I scrubbed with the toothbrush. Now our cleaning rod. Just kind of scrubbing out the inside of the barrel pretty good here. And now the bore snake. With this, I'm going to run it from the breech to the muzzle in the direction that the bullet would travel. Probably do this 2 or 3 times. Again, I apologize when things go out of frame. Like I said, I'm working around the camera and it's not the easiest. Alright, now we can begin lubrication and reassembly. First thing I'm going to do, actually I need to wipe this off just a little bit better. Okay, now we can apply some oil to our contact surfaces. This is where the cylinder rides. So we're going to put just a little couple of drops of oil on here. And just sort of work it around. Do the same thing where the crane rides inside the frame. This here is a pivot point. So we'll put a little small drop of oil there. And again, spread that around. Now we can install the cylinder and crane as a unit back into the firearm here. Which this is particularly tricky to do on camera. There we go. Reinsert our screw into the frame. Just kind of snug it up. Now I'm just going to kind of wipe everything down here, remove any excess oil and that sort of thing. Now, once again, we're going to verify that the firearm is unloaded and test for function. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video for more content. Thanks for watching.